Welcome to GOYUM Group.
I'm Kamal Ismail Ahmad, a specialist in the production of the oil seeds, and also for the animal feeds, and for many business related to the agricultural industry. And I'm working also for feasibility studies and the upgrading of all the factories and the planning for new innovations and ideas. This started long time ago with GOYUM. After I have many visits to different places in the world, whether European countries like Rosedowns, Smith, and also Rosedowns Smith in European countries, and also there are so many places in India. I have visited them. These places include, Bombay, Rajkot, Rajdot, and also I have been to the capital also of India, and I have lots of places. I joined many people who are working in this area of the oil expelling and feed animals, and at last I went to Ludhiana, where I found this giant company, GOYUM company, and I saw that they have very good equipment, quality-wise, production-wise, performance-wise, understanding, and they are following the recent technology, even not in India or in the African countries, but also they have joined, to work outside, in Europe and in different places in the world, in Canada and this and that. So that's why, as youth, these people, they have developed this factory to be one of the most important and developing, company, working in Sudan and in Africa. And as African people, we are trying, to join our efforts together with GOYUM in order, to develop our world in the oil or at the agricultural side, which is supplying us with groundnut. With the team GOYUM, all of us, we need, we are looking for organic materials. And it is quite good that GOYUM now is introducing new implements in the agricultural side. And we would like that GOYUM should participate very deeply, in the mechanization, the farm mechanizations, and also the organic fertilizers in Sudan, because with organic fertilizers they are going to improve, the land, and with the improvement of the land we are going to increase the production in the oil seeds, and with oil seeds we are going to improve, our purchases from GOYUM and similar companies who are going to help us, in the production of these very important, products which is needed by human beings all over the world. As a businessman, I would like to pay the attention of the Sudanese people. If they want, to invest, in this oil business, GOYUM is the highest, GOYUM is the best. GOYUM understands the Sudanese situation, and they know the Sudanese people, and they are working a lot with what they need and what they require, and they just, they are now Sudanese. It is a Sudanese company rather than an Indian company.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon to get new video updates.